When I get home, I want to teach on how to sign out your YouTube account. Your browser, YouTube, click. Scroll down your desktop and click your settings. Find your applications. Click Application Manager. Scroll up and click your YouTube browser. Click your storage, clear data, clear cache, delete. Then close it, go back to your desktop and click again your YouTube browser. And click your YouTube account. Then you can see now the sign out below. You can click it and now you are gone. Then back to sign in anytime you want to sign in. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell for you to be updated of our next videos.